How to turn on or turn off camera motion photo on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here, click on Camera app. After click on Camera app, click on this four dot icon and you will see motion photo is here. If you want to turn on motion photo, so click on motion photo. You will see motion photo is turned on. If you want to turn off motion photo, click on this icon. You will see motion photo is turned off. You will turn on or turn off motion photo from here. After the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can turn on or turn off camera motion photo on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.